same thing with Wendell. Though Wendell is coming up now, especially with those new homes that are being built, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So I could see Wendell becoming more busy when it comes to their highways and stuff like that, because of those, you know, upcoming. I think he's chasing that one, right?
Which one, the blue one?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, maybe.
The one, because that one passed real fast. You see, it's still going
fast.
fast.
Oh, yeah, probably.
Yeah, see how he crossed all the way down there? Unless he was one of them.
Not that blue one right there?
The one all the way down there.
Oh, I thought it was that blue one right there.
Yeah. No, this one, yeah, that one is the one that just turned on their lights is one.
Yeah.
But there was a car that just passed all of them.
Oh.
I think it was that one.
In 1 mile, take the Interstate 295 north exit on the right toward Interstate 295, New Jersey Turnpike.
He stopped.
Yeah.
Yeah, he stopped it, you see?
The blue one, yeah.